Hi, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of Dark Whimsical Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cover for KDP books for free in Canva. First, we're going to go into Amazon, the back end, and find out what size to make our cover. Here we go. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Self-publish with us. Click that and log in. And there's all my books. And what we're doing is we're going to community because we need to find out what size to make our cover for the size book we're making. So we click community and we go to KDP University. And here you can find anything you need to know, what size to make things. You can make templates. You can download the Kindle for software to make Kindle books really easily. And so we need to know cover size. We're making a paperback book. We're gonna make it 6 by 9 with bleed. So we're going to use our free tool, Cover Creator, or this one, download a cover template. So that's what we'll do, so that we can design our own. So we select the size, and I said 6 by 9. Yeah, 6 by 9. Page count of 100 because that's the most pages you can put in a book for free on Canva. Paper type will be white. And download cover template. So you're probably gonna have to extract it. Alright, so for the cover to be the right size for our book, we need to make it, there we go. So we're going to use this calculator. We're making paperback, standard, white paper, inches, 6 by 9, page count. So we'll need to make it this size right there. So we're going to open Canva. Minimize it for a second. Create a new design. I'm going to get 12.475, 9.25. Always remember to change this from pixels to inches. So now I have to put it in there again because don't make that mistake. But I seem to do it every time. So there we go. We have this perfect size for the cover. And what I like to do, I'll go ahead and run down the middle so I know where the middle is. Stick that there. And I will also go here to File and turn on Show Margins. As long as I stay in this dotted line, everything seems to work out fine. Alright. So now we're just going to make like a composition book. So I like to find an easy template already made for the part that looks like the composition book. I usually try to find a cute one. And I already have some right there. I'll probably just go ahead and use that one. So I'll go ahead and open this one. Now I already know this one's positioned right. Control C to copy and go back to this one. Control, whoops. Well, I didn't get that part. Shift to copy different elements. Control C. Control V. Usually puts it where it needs to be. It's odd that I put it over there, but maybe it's because of the size difference. Because we do need to make this smaller to fit on this size book. This isn't a normal composition size. There we go. So you know you're going to lose some of this. So I usually put it a little bit closer to this side than this side, and it seems to work out pretty good. So here you got 100 pages, college rule, or you can change it to wide rule, whatever size you're making. So make sure that that matches up with the file that you're using. Now we need to do this back part. So we're going to upload our own art. So you can go to Upload, Upload Media, and I don't remember where I put on the art. So when you're picking one, you gotta consider what's gonna look good. And this one might work. So we're gonna grab it, upload it. So apparently there is a size problem. Let's see. I make huge files. One might be smaller than. This one's JPEG. So I'll float that. Okay. Apparently that was too big too. I might have to use a Canva one. Oh, there we go. So you need something big enough to print, but not so small that it looks crappy when you print it. And so here is the art. So it looks like if I just pop it in the background. And yeah, I think that looks good. So there you go. That's all you gotta do. That is my own personal art. And now I have a composition book for it. And it looks good. Oh, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!